It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, Mortal Kombat, and I'm creating my Sub-Zero cosplay. Please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a SubZero Menpo using EVA Foam. I recently purchased a 3D printer, and this is the first mask that I printed, a Sub-Zero Mortal Kombat 11 mask. It came out pretty good, and I'm going to be making a video of me prepping and painting this mask. But today, we're going to be making a Sub-Zero Menpo out of EVA Foam. As usual, there's a list of materials and supplies that you'll need in the description below. So let's gather our supplies and let's get to it. When you're done cutting out your patterns, this is what you will have. If you're ever unsure about the sizing of a pattern, you can tape some of the pieces together to make sure they'll work and to make sure they'll be the right size for your face, and then scale them up or down accordingly. But if your pattern fits and you're ready to go, we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to trace this into 6mm EVA foam. Trace your cheek piece. You need 2 of these, so trace it, flip it over, and trace it again. This piece is your cheek, and it needs a bevel cut going inside. So this line will not be cut straight. It'll be cut on a 45-degree angle in. So this is a straight cut. Turn your blade like so you can cut a 45-degree angle inside. The inside also needs a bevel cut. We're going to make this bevel cut go to the outside. So this is a straight cut. Turn your blade like so that you have an outside 45-degree angle cut. This line is a regular straight cut. This line is a regular straight cut. Save this piece for later. Trace it, flip it, and trace it again. So this is a regular straight cut. Everything else we need a 45-degree angle in. This is your straight cut. Turn your blade in 45 degrees. .45-degree bevel. Bevel in again. And bevel in one last time. Do the same thing for the other side. Alright, this is your last piece to trace and cut out. Cut out. Trace one side, then flip it over and trace it again. This line is a bevel cut in. Everything else is a regular cut. When you're done, all your pieces will look like this, and this is the orientation of your build. There's one V cut we need to make on this piece. So flip this piece over, line it up like so, and draw a straight line across. Then make a cut halfway through the EVA foam on a straight line, and then turn your blade on a bevel angle and cut halfway through. When you finish, it'll look like this, and you will be able to bend this piece back and glue it like so. I'm using Barge contact cement. I'm going to start by putting contact cement on all my pieces and then letting it cure, and then put my pieces together. Make sure you put contact cement in the inside here so that you can seal that. Next, take some fabric mesh and cut out 2 of these cheek pieces and 1 of the center mouthpiece. Glue your fabric mesh on the back of your mouthpiece. Glue the fabric mesh to your cheek pieces. These extra pieces that you have that came from the center of this, use that for the back. When you get done, it will look like this. Make sure this side is the flat side and this side is the side that had those bevel cuts. All right, let's put everything together. Make sure you close this part down where you made the V cut on the inside, so it should look like this. Those other small chin pieces were really bad. This is much better. All right, so I'm gonna glue my chin piece here like so. Glue it to this part and to the sides. And it's gonna sit in the mask like so. It'll look like this from the bottom. This piece is optional, but it will give you a little bit of support on the sides. So with the chin piece and the straps, it'll give you more support of the mask. The mask won't stay wide like this. It will stay a little bit more narrow like so. But again, this piece is optional. Measure around the back of your head so you know how much elastic you need, and then glue your elastic strap into place. I'm gonna glue my elastic strap like so on both sides. After my contact cement gets tacky, I just put my elastic bands into place. Make sure you wait long enough for your contact cement to be tacky. Once it cures, then you can put it in place. I'm going to add a strip of 2mm EVA foam on top to make it a little bit more secure. Next, I'm going to use my Dremel to clean up some of my edges and seams to make everything smooth. If you don't have a Dremel, you can use sandpaper for this. Then use your heat gun to heal your foam and make everything smooth. Now it's time to prime. Now it's time to paint. And there you have it. My SubZero Menpo is complete. Yeah, it looks great, right? I hope yours turns out amazing as well. As always, please like and subscribe and leave a comment and let me know how you did. Also, let me know if you like the new Mortal Kombat movie. New videos every week, so be sure to join me next time as I complete my Sub-Zero cosplay. Adventure awaits, so get out into the world and explore. Peace.